Watch this video and learn how to draw a zombie. Later on, Artie gets a call from his friend, Mr. Monster. Watch to the end to see Mikey's joke break. It's hysterical. Okay, is everybody ready? It's time for Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
I was hiding. Could you see me?
Yes, we could see you.
Yeah.
Are you ready to make some art?
Yes.
Should we draw
Oh,
a zombie?
yes. Okay. Whoa. Yeah.
Hey, I'm Mikey Marker.
And I'm Betty Brush.
And
Welcome to Artie's show.
Artie, are you Artie? Artie,
Oh,
are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Good. Well then, let's begin.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it.
Get ready to draw with Artie.
Let's begin with the eyes. We'll start with the left eye towards the left side of the page. Draw a nice oval shape. That's it. Now draw a line across the bottom and let's make it a sleepy eye.
Yeah.
Bit like you when you get sleepy, Artie. Your eyes are half closed. Another line across the top. That's it. Now let's draw the right eye. Let's draw a back to front J shape first, and then we'll turn it into a sort of slightly irregular shaped oval. If Artie's drawing a little bit too fast, little artist, here's a special message from our friend Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Now let's draw some little nostrils, just two little black ovals and shade them in black. And now let's draw the mouth. Let's draw the top lip first. Do a sort of frowny shape. That's it. And then another line underneath that. Did you know, Artie, zombies can't talk, so they don't really need lips.
No.
No, they can't talk. They're zombies. I think maybe they sort of grunt and groan a little bit. Let's give him some really irregular teeth. A couple at the top. Oh, and draw one at the side, Artie. That'll be funny.
Hi Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
Can we eat carrots together later?
I love carrots. Yeah.
Me too.
I figured.
All right. Well, have a happy day.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy day.
I guess you have a date with Bunny later.
No.
I think you do, Artie. She really likes you, you know. Okay, come on, let's carry on colouring in the inside of the zombie's mouth. Nice and black, but leave the teeth white. Did you know, Artie, zombies are not really real? They're fictitious characters in movies and cartoons.
Oh, Artie didn't know that.
Of course, Artie, they're not real. There aren't really zombies walking around, thank goodness.
Yeah, that would be really bad.
Yes, it would. Okay, come on, let's concentrate on this drawing. Let's give our zombie some cheeks. That's it. Let's give him a really big right ear. That'll be funny.
Can you tell what it's gonna be, Betty?
Not yet.
Let's draw some curved lines inside the ear. That's very good. And a little bit of the head on the right. Oh, and now let's draw the left ear, but let's make it really small, because the right ear is so big, it'll be funny that the left ear is small.
Oh, someone's calling. Felt time. Yippee! Felt time. Felt time. Felt time. Hello, Mr. Monster. What's up?
Artie, I was just thinking, do you know what today is?
Is it Draw Something Fun Day?
Nope. Try again.
Oh, I know. It's Eat a Giant Banana Split Day.
No, it's Give Someone a Compliment Day.
Oh, well, Mr. Monster, you have the coolest shade of red I've ever seen.
Thanks, Artie. You know, I have to eat just the right amount of tomatoes every single day to keep this shade of red. Oh, and Artie, you have the brightest smile I have ever seen. It's as bright as a very sunny day.
Thanks, Mr. Monster. You know, smiles are like little hugs for our hearts.
Exactly. So let's spread some more. Kids watching at home, tell someone you love something awesome about them. I bet it'll make them smile.
Great idea, Mr. Monster. And remember, every day can be Give Someone a Compliment Day.
Artie, you are so right. Oh, I'm gonna go tell my goldfish she is the best swimmer I know.
Okay, bye, Mr. Monster. Bye.
Bye, Artie. Bye, friends. Hey, Swimmy, you go, girl.
Oh, Mr. Monster is so funny, Artie. It's good to have a friend that makes you laugh. Keep watching, 'cause coming up is Mikey's joke break. Oh, I like how you gave him a little bump on the top of his head, Artie. Draw some hairs growing out of the bump. Maybe a couple more hairs on the left side as well.
Hello, Artie.
Hi, Bunny.
I'm ready for some fun.
Oh, good. Me too.
Oh, I love that drawing.
Oh, thank you.
It looks so lifelike. You're very talented. Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Bye.
I like how Bunny thinks your drawing of a zombie is lifelike, Artie, because, you know, zombies aren't alive. Kind of funny.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give our zombie a nice t-shirt. Ooh, make the bottom part all raggedy and ripped, Artie. Yes, that looks really good. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, it's painty. Oh.
Oh, I love it!
Oh, Painty. He's made such a mess. I'll have to clean that up later. Okay, Artie, let's draw these arms on this zombie. We'll draw the left arm first. Or is that the right arm? I guess it's the zombie's left arm, but as we look at it, it's his right arm. I don't know. I'm confusing myself. Oh no, it looks like it's going to rain this afternoon, Artie. Yeah, we don't want rain. We like sunshine. We'll have to get the umbrellas ready.
Yeah.
Well, unless we just stay in and draw all afternoon.
Yeah, yippee.
Okay, we'll see. That zombie hand looks really good, Artie. Awesome. Oh, and I love the fingernails. You're doing a really good job on this one, Artie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's draw the other arm.
Wow, this is really creative.
It really is, Mikey.
That's right, guys. He's doing a really good job on this one today. I mean, Artie always does a good job, but this one's coming out extra special good.
Thank you.
You're welcome again. Now that he has hands, it looks kind of like he's walking towards us with his hands out, like a zombie. Ugh.
Yeah. Oh, I would really like a joke break.
A joke break?
Yeah,
Okay, why not?
yeah.
Go on then.
Okay, Mikey, can we have a joke break?
Hey kids, welcome back to your favorite part of the show. It's Jokes with Mikey Marker. So, what's a cheerleader's favorite color? Yellow. What color is a burp? Burple. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.
Mikey, that was a funny joke break.
It was. Should we get back and finish the drawing?
Oh, okay.
Why don't we give our zombie a pair of shorts? That'd be funny.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie.
Wow, Artie is so creative.
Yes, he is, Bunny. I think Bunny likes everything that Artie does. She might be his #1 fan. Are you having fun, Artie?
Yeah, Artie's having so much fun. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. It's always fun when we draw, isn't it? We always have such a great time.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you've started drawing the zombie's foot. I love his big heel. Oh, and there's his big toe. This is awesome, Artie.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat.
That's right, Betty. It's neat. Do people still say neat? This zombie's funny toes look a bit like your toes, Artie.
Very funny. Yeah.
Let's do some band-aids on his cheek, sort of holding his cheek together. Oh yes, that's it, Artie. Very good. You know, I think this is looking pretty much finished.
I'm finished.
I thought it was. Do you know what?
Yeah.
It needs some colour.
I think it needs some color. Yay!
It sure does.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Wow, it came out really, really good, Artie.
Oh, fantastic.
Are you pleased?
Very, very pleased.
I thought so. It looks so good.
Yeah. Artie's having an Artie day.
You sure are.
Bye, Artie.
See you later, little artists. And don't forget,
Have an Artie day.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.